Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I think this is part 5. A couple of people, myself included, have kind of gotten hooked on drawing with these polygons. And one of my subscribers gave me a detailed, I just now saw the next page. I don't even know what the next page is. That'll be another video maybe. But anyway, in the first couple parts, we'll learn how to draw this. And I've evidently got 2 copies of it. So he brought in the fact that we could do this. So that's pretty cool within itself. And mine is going to have too many lines, granted, but I'm going to make them hairlines, which don't really matter in this case. Well, they will when they double. I'm going to Control D and double it or duplicate it. And then I'm going to mirror it horizontally, and I'm going to get that pattern. I mean, look at that already. Now, it's probably got too many lines, but who's to say the pattern? And then I'm going to take this exact one, Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, and move the center rotation of one of the edges and rotate it 60 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now, granted, his looks different than mine because I had way more lines. So I think in this case, his is going to look better because it doesn't have as many lines. But that's really cool. I mean, it's almost too dark in some places, but it's all made up of lines. I mean, if you look at that right there, that's pretty interesting pattern. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.